What's up, guys? So we're about to go to the World Vegan Mac and Cheese competition, and I'm on time, but you know how it goes. Waiting for the wife. She got to take her sweet time. So anyway, I can't wait to get in there, shoot some solid footage. I hope I see some of you guys there. If I see some of you guys there, you'll probably be on this video. All right, we're at the vegan mac and cheese competition.
Hey, everybody.
We got our new friend.
We just met a little friend named Corey.
What's up, Corey? Say what's up.
Say hi. Say what's up.
What's up? I want to say hi to my people and my family because I love you.
It's awesome, right?
Yeah.
So we're about to go up in here. See you.
See ya.
And get set up. Where you at, Maya?
Got a little help with Maya. Repping vegan mechanic.
Oh shoot, my hat. So we're in here. We're setting up. Shit is getting real. We got like 10 minutes before all hell breaks loose. You guys ready for all hell to break loose?
Yeah, we're ready. Sure.
Hold on, let me get you in focus because they can't see. They can't see that beautiful face. There we go. You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
If Maya wasn't ready, I would say what you really said. Sneak peek. That's what winning mac and cheese looks like. What's going on, guys? We're here at the mac and cheese con. We're getting set up. The line's building up outside. We want to feed all these hungry people.
Whatever they do. Maya.
Yeah, I'll get you now. No, you don't.
Here with this brother,
totally insane.
connected with a few years back upon returning to Maryland, being in the art scene.
We're gonna get it done.
You should get it because I'm about to come
This mac and
through and
cheese
put
right
a crushing
here.
on it.
First of all,
So I just wanted to get
yes, I
fair
spilled
warning
it.
on
This is
that.
good.
I'm about to start over
Just like
here.
real mac and
And
cheese.
I'm working my way
Literally no
through each of the
difference from real
gluten-free
cheese.
tables. So I'm about to put a hurt.
Thanks, guys.
Vibe. Red Emma's Mother's Poetry Vibe. That is first Saturday of February, May.
Bacon.
Looks really good.
So we have the
It's gonna be on the channel. Where you got? There we go. I got you.
There you go. Oh, but I'm not Pauline. That's Pauline. We'll share.
There you go.
It's very creamy and cheesy. This is the most similar to actual mac and cheese than all of them that I've tried.
It's got really good texture. Really good.
Okay, I'm glad you guys like it.
We're opening in Chicago in June. We're excited. Yeah. Thank you.
Take a shot.
beautiful souls out there. Nico Lamassa here with my boy Antonio, the vegan mechanic. He's got some amazing vegan mac and cheese. We're here, the World Championship of Vegan Mac and Cheese. Thankfully, it's here in Baltimore, am I right? I saw that on Facebook. He shouted out yesterday and was like, make sure you come. And I'm like, the World Championship of Vegan Mac and Cheese is in Baltimore. Like, this is like, I had to be here. So, great mac and cheese, man. Thank you, and it's great to meet you.
Okay, you ready?
Hi, I'm Marley and I'm at the Vegan Mechanic and I love the mac and cheese here. I think it's delicious and I hope every one of you that watches likes it too.
Be careful, it's
Super good.
Thanks so much, okay? Let's get some truth time, Maya. How are you feeling right now?
I'm tired and hungry, but I definitely feel like we're gonna win.
Baby, you gonna say anything? When I say she's pissed, she's like literally pissed. I didn't feed her, I didn't eat, no one here ate. We've just been serving up this good old mac and cheese. I really hope you guys enjoy seeing some of this. I'm gonna try to edit the best I can. I didn't get a lot of good footage of people eating the food because it was like so crazy busy. So it took all three of us to really like just be putting it out all day.
Y'all, I'm hungry.
Wrap it up. Eat grass, not ash.
Eat grass.
See you.